Okay, folks. Maybe we can see that. Yeah, we can take a look at this sky. Man, that's flipping awesome. Love it. It's a beautiful day today here. Look at that. We don't get skies like that in Southern California often. I love it. It's beautiful. Anyway, it's about 1600. Time and temperature check. 1600, 40 degrees. I had the tent heater running there, but it's out of diesel. I got to clean it out. She was pouring soot like a freight train going up a grade, so I got soot everywhere. So exciting news. I started working on the wire harness, and I bought some grommets to pass the wires through the firewall. There's one over there. And Vintage Wiring made the harness. It's beautiful. So Sound Starter over in cripes, Tacoma, yes, rebuilt that generator. I had one, but the guy found one and put it all together. And I showed in an earlier video of taking the 6-volt voltage regulator out of the housing and putting more modern. Now, one of the things I always ran into with my old in the past with the old style voltage regulators is if I disconnected the wires, I'd have to polarize the system. So I don't know what the heck was going on there, but yeah, starter's nice and cold, wires are cold, but I got tired of charging the battery. So we're going to watch the ammeter, if I can get it in view. Okay, I'm gonna fire it up. I've had it running for a little bit, temperature's up. So we're gonna watch the needle kind of move to the left when I energize the system. And then when I kick the starter on, she's gonna move hard to the left, and then engine will fire up, and then I gotta block the throttle open a little bit. So here we go. Let that run. Sir Bertimus and Company stopped by today. It was nice to see that crew. I'm going to try and get a video of Kirk's Diamond T wrecker soon, with permission, of course. Anyway, that's it for this little video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.